You ever feel like there's a conspiracy out there to keep you from TIG welding aluminum the way you want to? Like there's some sort of shadowy cabal of unscrupulous characters that are hiding the secrets of TIG from you? Well, there are, and its name is BIG TIG. In my 7 years of researching aluminum TIG, I've come to realize that BIG TIG is hiding 3 secrets from us, and today, we're going to unravel the mystery. The first secret they're keeping from you is settings. BIG TIG likes to make these machines with overly complicated settings with infinite adjustments. They have pulse, frequency, balance, independent amplitude adjustment, but for right now, we're going to keep it basic. With all these crazy adjustments, you can make it to where your weld is so cold that you can't even fuse the 2 pieces of metal together. And on the other spectrum, you can have a weld that's so dirty it almost has no cleaning action. What's the one setting that you can use on any piece of aluminum that's going to give you a great result? Simple. Turn off your pulse, set your balance to 70. If you have cleaning, like on an Everlast, switch it to 30. And if you're not sure which your machine has, set it to 30 or 70 and light up and watch your tungsten, and if it balls up, then go the opposite direction. Set your frequency to 120 to 130 Hertz. This is a great setting for all weld joints. Not the perfect setting for all of them, but it's a simple and effective way to weld. Here's the before with our BIG TIG settings. And here's the after. Now that looks a million times better, but it still doesn't look perfect. I know I can do something better. What's BIG TIG keeping from me? It's your gas flow. Everybody knows you need gas flow to keep from getting porosity and a dirty weld. But one thing they don't know is that BIG TIG is connected to Big Gas. Big Gas wants us to use up our argon tanks as fast as possible, so we'll buy more of them. The more gas that you're using, the more erratic your arc's gonna be, and you're not gonna have a clean, straight bead profile. So don't be afraid to turn your gas down and make sure that you're not wasting all of it. Double the size of your cup and use that as your gas CFH. So if I have a number 5 cup, I only need 10 CFH. And if I have a number 7 cup, I only need 14 CFH. Here's before we got our gas flow under control. This is what Big Gas likes to see, because they know we're wasting all of our gas. And here's after we got our gas flow under control. You can see that our bead is nice and straight. But there's still something missing. Tungsten. Big Tungsten is one of the good ones. They just want you to have a good welding experience. If at any point during the time you're welding you even think that you touched your tungsten, I want you to pull it out, put it to the side, grab a new piece and put it in. Even if you're welding and you stop and then you rest your tungsten on your weld and it kind of sticks just a little bit. It's just like, pull that tungsten out and change it, trust me. It's gonna make a world of difference. But these aren't the only conspiracies that BIG TIG has. Let me know what conspiracies you want me to unravel next. But before we unravel those, I have another video that's gonna really help you out. Click right here, and remember to always try to make each weld better than the last. There had to have been a second pipeliner on the grassy knoll.